Okay, and then for my brows today, I will be using the ABH Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown with the number 12 pencil brush. And the first thing you want to do is comb your eyebrows. Then what I'm going to do is that with my brush, I'm going to dip in there. Not too much, I'm just really just tapping it on there. And then I don't just start from up here, I start more like in the middle. And just drag it down. Start giving it the form that I want. And then here's my little arch. So basically we're doing the outline. Start shading it in. Then whatever's left on the brush, use it for the front part of your eyebrow. And just start dragging the product. I'm just going to grab in and make it more darker. And then with my spoolie, just brush through them so the product will be even. And that's basically it, you guys. That's how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, then now that I've drawn my eyebrows in, you know, they don't look that perfect, maybe in the camera, but I'm gonna use my heart-shaped tape to clean it up with a just flat little small brush. Okay, so I just clean it up like this, concealer on the bottom only. I let it sit for a little bit just so it can be more full coverage, and then I'll buff it out and I'll show you how to clean up the top part. Okay, so let's just start looking something like this, and then since I like it for it to look more natural, I'm gonna clean up the top of the eyebrow with my foundation. And today I'm gonna clean it up with the Hourglass foundation. So then with the same brush, I'm just gonna buff out this foundation. Sorry. So I use the same concealer. And then I do like drag it in the middle, which is my foundation. Okay, so this is how I achieve my Instagram brows. So let me do my makeup and I'll be right back. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.